Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a sub page in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter one of your websites. To create a sub page or move a page under another page in Google Site, simply go to Pages tab. As you can see, these are the current pages of this website. And let's say that I want to add this about page below family photos, for example. Simply select it with your mouse and move it just like that inside family photos, and it will be added under family photos, creating a new sub page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial, creating a new sub page. Now, don't forget to publish or to hit the publish button to save your changes online. Click again on publish. Your site has been published successfully. Let's view it live. As you can see, now the about page is under family photos. And this is how to create a sub page in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.